SEMrush Dropshipping Review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to SEMrush and recommended tools are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. SEMrush is one of the most powerful SEO and marketing tools available, but how useful is it for dropshipping? The answer depends on your strategy. If you're focused on organic traffic, competitive research, or optimizing paid ads, SEMrush can give you a massive advantage. Let's break it down. Features. SEMrush offers keyword research that helps you find high-traffic, low-competition keywords to rank your store and blog content. The competitor analysis feature lets you spy on successful dropshipping stores, revealing their traffic sources, top-performing keywords, and backlink strategies. The SEO audit scans your website for technical issues, ensuring faster load times and better rankings. If you're running Google Ads, SEMrush provides PPC keyword research, helping you discover profitable ad keywords while avoiding costly mistakes. Another standout tool is the Backlink Analyzer, which shows where competitors are getting their backlinks, critical for building authority. Lastly, the Social Media Toolkit helps schedule and track social posts to drive more traffic. Who is it for? SEMrush is ideal for dropshippers focusing on SEO, content marketing, or Google Ads optimization. If you're relying solely on Facebook ads, it's less essential. But if you want long-term organic traffic, competitor insights, and better ad targeting, SEMrush is a game changer. Strengths: comprehensive SEO toolkit, keyword research, competitor spying, and backlink tracking in one place. PPC optimization helps fine-tune Google Ads campaigns for better ROI. Competitor analysis: see where top dropshipping stores get traffic and backlinks. Website audit: fix SEO issues to improve rankings and conversion rates. Social media features: manage and optimize posts for increased engagement. Weaknesses: expensive for beginners. Plans can be pricey if you're just starting. Learning curve: SEO and PPC strategies take time to master. Not focused on Facebook ads, better suited for Google Ads and organic search. Final verdict: SEMrush is a must-have if you want to dominate organic search, optimize Google Ads, and stay ahead of competitors. It's an investment, but for serious dropshippers looking for long-term traffic and better ad performance, it's worth it. Check out the links in the description for special deals and free trials.